As a machine tool provider, we spent probably the better part of 2 years vetting the manufacturer that we work with directly, who produces our consumables. You know, there's lots and lots of options out there overseas, but at the same time, what's the quality like? We spent countless hours ordering samples from multiples and testing them side by side in our own products and our own cutting services that we had. And so we feel that the quality behind these have been vetted by us in-house, and we do see the differences between good and bad consumables.
The spark for us in having laserconsumables.com and having that site available is so customers don't have to go outside of the US to purchase their products. But for us to be able to have it here in the US, customers can get their products quick and they can have them even the next day.
So the spark behind Laser Consumables came because it was a necessity to the machine. It's a drill bit to a drill press. It's a nozzle, it's a lens. Those are your high volume consumables that need to be changed out. They do last a long time, but at the same time, they are a need. Without them, the machine cannot run. So being able to provide our end users directly with our product just makes a better purchasing experience and a better relationship from stealth to the end user. Historically, in the past, most of them have either been direct from overseas or maybe an Amazon seller that isn't Prime. Something to that effect. We needed a better solution that could get product in their hand faster.
New customers that buy a laser machine through Stealth Machine Tools, I would recommend for them to use their gift card that we give them through laserconsumables.com and select the items that they would need to help run their machine. Every nozzle is specific per material, the size, the type that they use. So to have various nozzles on hand in different sizes, whether they're the singles or the doubles, depending on air or gases that they're using, I would definitely tell them to stock up on some lenses, just in case you do get some debris in there. You want to have those lenses on hand to be able to switch out easily. But with having the gift card, you can bulk up just to give you a sense of ease, knowing that you have everything on hand.
All right, so typically the time of use that you would expect from a consumable, let's use plasma as an example. You're gonna buy an electrode and a nozzle. There are other wearable parts, which would be a retaining cap or a swirl ring, that are replaceable parts. Now, when you go to laser, because they're two different processes, you have an arc transfer, which is gonna wear out much faster. Now you're shaping light through a lens, and you're basically trying to hit a bullseye. We typically advise 40 hours or more of cutting service with a good lens and a good nozzle. The cost for a nozzle and a lens is about $8 to $10, but you get 3 times, 4 times the amount of cutting production with those parts. So it is absolutely less expensive to run and operate your laser versus plasma on the consumable level. I think we're one of the only US-based distributors for consumables at the moment. You know, there are some that you're gonna see on Amazon and some other that are out there. But as far as what we can provide is fast shipping. Everything that we show on the website is true and in stock. Being able to ship fast is gonna really set us apart. Being able to call somebody if you made an error in the order, even if you ordered the wrong product, calling us, fast ship, fast return, fast turnaround, that's been our goal, because this is a definite need and necessity that you cannot have your machine can't run without it.